There's a massive upgrade happening in the crypto space right now that most people are sleeping on. We're talking about a complete ecosystem overhaul. New UI, new token, new card, all dropping at once. So if you want to be early on the next big exchange token, this is your moment. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is CZR. Link to this will be in the description of the video. On February 6th, guys, CZR Exchange officially completed a massive system upgrade that is marking a major milestone in its evolution. And the platform now features a sleek, redesigned user interface that is cleaner, faster, and more optimized for serious traders who actually demand that precision and the instant execution. Now, every element of the experience has been refined to reduce the friction and improve the responsiveness and support of high-performance trading environments, because they want to make sure that those that are really doing trades can make sure that they make all their entries and their exits on time without delay, because every split second matters. And you know that for a fact, especially in cryptocurrency, guys. So this upgrade is more than just cosmetic. It actually establishes the technical foundation for the next phase of growth, including that highly anticipated token launch for the exchange. Now, guys, CZR positions itself as one of the best low-fee crypto exchanges in the market today. So, built for the global participation, this platform is actually enabling that seamless cross-border transactions with near instant settlements. And I would, of course, strongly suggest that you do your own research. Head on over to their website, sign up, go ahead and check and test them out. That way you will be able to see and figure out if this is something that you would like to use with all of your tradings. Now, it is not only designed for active trading, but for the moving value efficiency across regions without the traditional delays that, we are all accustomed with. So each transaction is supported by the robust security architecture, which also ensures that the assets are remained protected within a resilient and secure infrastructure. Now, you will be able to see this, guys. This is how it looks like once you are actually in their website. Now, this is the spot trading. Okay. Now, of course, you will be asking, are they also doing futures? Of course, right? Now, this is the futures trading that they have. Of course, they have a ton of different tokens that you could use with all of your trades. And the one that we have all been, aiming for, actually, especially the ones that are new to cryptocurrency, they also have futures copy. So this is copy trading at its finest. So this is actually going to be very, very helpful, especially for those of you that are still new with cryptocurrency and would like to copy the trades of the experienced traders out there. This is something that you can go ahead and try. So at the center of this new ecosystem, guys, is the upcoming CZR token. It is designed to power the upgraded platform, and CZR introduces tangible utility for its holders. And the benefits include the governance voting rights, the staking rewards, and the discounted trading fees. Now, when it comes to your staking, guys, you could actually access that by going here, right? So if you click on this one, it will take you to the part of the website where it's going to talk about their staking. So they have that discounted trading fees as well. So the early adopters may also qualify for potential airdrops, and it reinforces the strategic advantage of engaging with the platform ahead of the token's official launch. So guys, I would strongly suggest, again, for you to do your own research and head on over to their website. See for yourself the power of this one. They also have their customer support at the bottom right of their page. So if you have questions or anything like that, you will be able to access that very easily. All right. And of course, guys, make sure to do your own research and Make sure to also follow all their social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about a project, you will always be informed. So the upgrade is live and the token is coming. Don't wait until the hype takes over. Okay, click the link, register your account, and start trading on the new CZR interface today. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.